is Halloween Saturday. So this is the beginning of the second day after the storm. There's my mountain. See it? What are you doing? Let's see how long my mountain lasts. As you can see, it's over 2 feet deep a couple days ago. There's nothing here. As you can see, the jungle is no longer a jungle. This would be a dog-eat interstate. Got an interstate here, another dog interstate right here, another one right here, of course, so they get as much mud on their footprints as possible. So, hon. Again, there's my mountain. See how long that lasts. She'll follow this dog interstate and find out where it goes. Ah, cut off to the other interstate. Dog is making new ground. As you can see, the snow is icy because he's not falling through. Have you authorized construction of this new interstate, dog? Over here in the sun, it's starting to get really soft. These were buried a couple days ago. Snow glistening. Right, you're an idiot. And back to a couple more interstates.